Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about fancybags.ru legit. This site has created huge curiosity among the people of United States. We will check whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, one can easily understand that this website deals with handbags, boots, etc. Now let's talk about the best-selling products. So here are some products with reasonable prices. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about the payment policy. So friends, these are the payment method. You can choose TransferWise by logging into www.transferwise.com. You can choose Western Union by logging into www.westernunion.com. You can also choose the payment from MoneyGram by logging into www.moneygram.com. Now let's check about the shipping policy. So friends, you can see on the screen the shipping time is within 10 to 20 working days. It ships also in 2 to 5 days. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a scam or a legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means payment gateway is totally safe and secured. Besides this, the website has been registered on 5th of March 2019 and hence it is a few years old website. Now if you want to know about the About Us page section, let's check into it. So there is an About Us section written here, but there is no content available regarding the About Us page. So this is one negative point about the website. If you want to know about the contact information, let's check into it. The contact email address is fancybagsofficial@gmail.com. The phone number is 8525-981-3233 and location is given as Hong Kong, China, but there is no address given in the site. Now let's talk about the social media presence. Friends, this website has social media presence over YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. as you can see on the screen. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's check into it. So friends, you can apply for refund within 15 days from the delivery time. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, friends, let us check regarding the customer reviews. So friends, here you can see in the website customer reviews are available. So let me read few of them for you. So these are the few feedbacks available in the website. So one of the customer, he says that thank you very much and we really like the style of your channel with followers and beautiful view and gentle soft speaking. Now we are promoting again. Do you want to choose another bag? And we do that again. Thanks so much. I would love to. I will send you a link. I love the bag. It's even better than the original. So these are some reviews regarding the customer. So these are few of the positive feedbacks which you can see on the screen. Also, we checked in other sites in Google where we got the customer reviews. So on Quora we got a review by a customer. So she says that as I know, fancybags.ru has changed its domain, the new replicaclubs.ru. I have purchased bags, shoes from them and the customer service is quick. You can talk them on their online chat box. I got my package with DHL. It takes 2 weeks during the COVID-19 and I am satisfied with the quality, much better than the one I got from other sites. I can recommend this site anyway. They don't support like most of other sellers. So I suggest you check sellers reviews before purchase from them, which can keep you safe. So these are few reviews available in the website as well as in Google. Also we have found the reviews in other sites as well. In several articles also the reviews are available. If you ask about the website content quality, then it is not good as most of them is copy pasted from other sites. So on basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website should be researched well before purchase. And we advise you to check all these points for all website before making any payments or selection. This website should be researched well before you think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing money in any website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video if you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.